Hi everyone, welcome. This is Stardust LV and hope you guys are well. And today we're gonna do a video on this Petite Malle Souple, and I'm gonna share with you my thoughts. Let's run through the aesthetic of the bag, the measurements, what fits inside. We can also do a mug shot at the end. So let's get started. So this is a beautiful bag. It is from the Petite Malle line. Currently retail for $3,000 US. The inspiration of this bag is from the Louis Vuitton trunk, and it goes way back from the history of the brand. And this one has a luggage tag here in front, and it has black leather on all four sides of the bag and also at the back. And they also put this beautiful hardware that says Louis Vuitton around it, and each side has 3 of those hardware, and also the same here at the bottom, which serve as a feet at the bottom of the bag. And this one is made in USA, and as you can see, it is really made well. And it also has this one short handle and a longer strap that has Louis Vuitton on it, and also a thicker short strap that looks like this. This is very substantial, thicker than the multi-pochette accessories chain strap. Inside has one big space in here, which has a felt lining. And here is the zipper, and I still have the plastic in here. And let's remove this plastic. Okay, plastic is out, and now it looks like this. So this one, guys, has 2 zippers here in front. It doesn't have a lock and the key, but it has 2 zippers. And let's measure it. So the short handle measures 3.5 in length, and then this long strap at its longest, and I wear this at its longest, guys. This one is 20.5 long, and the length of the bag measures 8 inches, and the height measures 5.5 inches for the height, and the width 3 inches for the width. So this bag really fits a lot. It's like a camera bag that has a handle on top. And if you're curious what it fits, we're gonna put some things inside, and then later I'm gonna tell you what my thoughts on this bag. So here has a big compartment, and I'm gonna put a lot in here, guys, so you're gonna see how much this will fit. So this one has a compact inside, and this one is empty, so I'm gonna put a lot of lipsticks here. So 2 Dior lipsticks, and then 2 Chanel lipsticks. And this one has a Chanel compact. So we're gonna put it inside the bag. So this is what it looks like inside, and let's put more. I'm gonna put this Recto Verso wallet and this Victorine wallet inside. And it fits, guys. And let's gonna try putting this Chanel lotion and this sunglasses, this Hermes Bastia. Let's just shove it all in. So I guess that's it, guys. See, it's overflowing. And let's now review what fits inside. So a sunglasses, a Chanel lotion, an Hermes Bastia, 2 Louis Vuitton wallets, and 2 mini pochette. Everything of this on my hands fit inside this Petite Malle Souple, and it's just amazing how much this purse can fit. And this is a nice camera bag in my opinion, and the price of this is $3,000 US, which I think is pricey for a canvas bag. But what we are paying here is the exclusivity of the look from the Petite Malle line. They are really showcasing the Petite Malle line as a classic and from the history of the trunk collection from Louis Vuitton. So because I cannot think of any other reason why they are pricing this a little bit high just for the canvas and a little leather on this bag. And one has to really love this bag to be able to buy this purse. As you can see, there's only one top handle, and for some people it looks odd at first, and for me as well. That's why when I saw this at Instagram, I didn't pay attention on this look. However, when I went to the store and saw it on display, it has caught my eye, and when I tried it, I just have to have it. So that is what happened when I bought this purse. And this one handle is placed here as one handle for a reason, because can you imagine if they will put another handle in here and it will fall down in here? It will just take away the look of the bag. As this one, see, if you have a handle falling in here without this, it doesn't look as pretty as this luggage tag hanging in here. That's why they just put one handle here on top. With one handle, it gives a unique look on the purse, as it's not really the usual bag that we can see. This is handy if you will hold this and you're gonna go in and out from the car, but I wouldn't really wear this to carry like this if there are a lot of items inside the bag. It will put a strain here on top. So just for short grab and go, I will be able to do this if the bag is full, but not for the longer period of carrying it like this. However, I can carry a bag like this even if it's full, as there's like a balance here. I can carry it like this for a longer period of time, as it is balanced from one side to the other side if I'm going to do this. Here guys, you can see what I'm telling about. If there's another handle in here and it will drop down in here, it doesn't look good. It's just take away the look of the bag if there's one handle dropping in here with the luggage tag. That's why I guess they only put one handle at the back. Yeah, it just makes the look of the bag, even if there's only one here on top. Like, it's just pretty with dangling in here. Or they can also make this bag like this, but I guess I love that they have one handle here at the back. So what do you think of this, guys? Let me know your thoughts, and I really appreciated your thoughts also on my unboxing video, which I'm gonna link on the description down below. There are mixed positive and negative comments on this bag, and as I've said, one really has to see this in person to be able to appreciate this bag, because this is one of those bags where you see it at the picture and then you're gonna, like, your mind is like trying to argue with you why there's one handle or why the bag looks like this. But I don't know, like, it is just love at first sight for me when I saw the bag on display at the store, and I'm just glad that I got this purse, as this is a unique piece and a classic piece at the same time. It's one of a kind. I also love this thick handle that it came with, though I would love this to be in black leather. But I also have a bandolier strap, which I can reverse it into a black leather at the back if I'm gonna put this on as an alternative strap for this bag. And with this canvas strap, it just makes the bag look edgier if you're gonna attach this all together with a canvas strap. And this hanging, it just looks so edgy and fun. So I also love that this canvas strap is very, very light, and this bag is also light, so it has a room for stuff to be placed inside without weighing your shoulders down, because the bag itself is light. So that's what my thoughts are on this bag. I love the functionality of this purse and also the look that I just brought it home with me, and I'm happy that I did. So if you attach a leather strap on this bag, it will look like this. And I put this chain strap at the back, so the strap, long strap first, and then the chain strap at the back. I will just grab this chain from behind and just hold it like this. So this is what it looks like with a leather strap, and I think it will also go well with the reverse strap. It is so pretty, guys. Like, look at this. It's just give the bag a different vibe with this reverse strap, and I'll reverse it back to black. Like, you see, guys, it just looks a little bit classier with the strap and with the leather strap. However, with the canvas strap, it looks fun, young, and edgier. So I haven't tried wearing this with a leather strap yet, but I've used this bag several times with this canvas strap, and I really enjoy it. It just have a cool vibe to it if you're gonna wear this with a canvas strap. Just so pretty, guys. I really love this purse. So again, guys, if it's the first time that you saw this bag, let me know what you think of this, as I want to hear your thoughts on this particular purse, which really like cause chaos in our brain whenever we look at this bag, as the handle is not that balanced compared with having two. Maybe this is what appeals to me, guys, because it's not the usual type of look that we see on the purse. And with the look of this one, it just looks so fun, unique, edgy, classic, and just so pretty to look at if you'll wear it. Thank you guys for watching this video and for supporting my channel. I really appreciated each one of you, and may all of you have a wonderful day. And please do like this video if you find it useful. I will be happy if you will subscribe as well. So I will see you again next time. So now let's go ahead and do the mud shots.